Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make these super cool bangles out of waste bangles. I was having these old bangles, so I thought that these are very boring. Let's recreate them. For recreating them, I'm gonna take these white beads, which you can find easily on any shop. And another thing is this thin lace. You can easily find this lace on any of the store nearby your house. And the third thing I'm taking is the elastic thread. This is very thin thread and this is also available in the market very easily. So the first step is to join these two bangles with each other with the help of tape. I'm using tape. You can also use glue gun or super glue for this step. But the use of tape is also okay, so I will prefer you to apply tape on the bangles. Apply tape on the bangles from two sides. And after joining these two bangles with together, now I'm gonna attach the elastic in the center of the bangles. And I will attach this elastic with the help of tape also. You can also use glue gun or super glue for this purpose. As you can see that this is the thread, and now I'm gonna insert the beads into the thread. According to the wrist of my size, the bangle is of 2.5. So I have used 23 beads totally on all over the bangle. You have to use the quantity of beads according to your wrist size. As you can see that the inserting of the beads is done. Now I'm going to stick this another end of elastic thread on the bangle again with the help of tape, and again I am repeating that you can also use glue gun or super glue instead of the tape if you are not having any type of tape or adhesive. And this is the final look after attaching the elastic from both of the sides and inserting the beads. Now the most satisfying part is going to be start. First of all, take the lace, put the lace along with the first bead and apply glue gun to attach this lace there. Be careful while applying glue gun because it is very hot and it is very dangerous. You can also see here that I have used scissor instead of my fingers because the glue gun was very hot. And after applying glue gun, repeat this process with all over the beads and fold the lace on all over the bangle with this process, and our bangle is almost done. This will be the look of our bangle after recreating it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel.